If you have done your downward dog yoga pose today, you are probably feeling more relaxed. Regardless of your yoga expertise, if you are practicing it regularly, you are feeling more relaxed from head to toe. Yoga offers physical and mental health benefits for people of all ages. If you are going through an illness, recovering from a surgery, or living with a chronic condition, yoga can become an integral part of your treatment and potentially hasten healing. Yoga is a mind and body practice. Various styles of yoga combine physical postures, breathing exercise, meditation, and relaxation. The word yoga comes from the root word yuj, which means to yoke or to bind. Overall philosophy of yoga is connecting the mind, body, and spirit. Now, if you are a complete beginner, I will perform with you 15 minutes of yoga practice with you. It is also a 21 days challenge for you. If you really want to make its maximum benefits, then do at least for 21 days. Now, let's get started. Let's do some warming up exercise. For this, stand in a straight back posture. Move your right foot clockwise for 5 times. Now move it anti-clockwise for 5 times. Do the same with the left leg. Move it gently for 5 times clockwise. Move it anti-clockwise for 5 times. As slowly and gently as you can. Now close your feet together, bend on your knees and move your both knees clockwise for 5 times. Move it gently anti-clockwise for 5 times. It stretches and relaxes your muscles. Now stand straight. Move your hand forward for 5 times, as gently as you can. Move it backward. Do the same with the left hand. Move it gently for 5 times forward. Move it for 5 times backward. Now with the both hands at the same time together in the forward direction for 5 times. It relaxes your muscles. Move your both hands in the backward direction. Do it as gently as you can. Rub your palm together. Place your hands on your face, having a smile. Move your back clockwise for 5 times gently. Move it anti-clockwise for 5 times. Feel you are releasing the tension around your back. This is complete warm-up exercise. Before performing further yoga asanas, we need to do this warm-up exercise. Now this completes body warm-up. Now let's do Surya Namskaar. In Sanskrit, Surya means sun and Namaskar means greeting or salutation. Surya Namskaar is then a greeting to the sun. It is an ancient ritual of 12 steps that warms up the body, preparing it for yoga practice. That is why it is practiced at the beginning of a yoga class. This warming sequence has a rich history and holistic benefits for the body and mind. The purpose of Surya Namaskar is performing asanas in the rays of the sunrise sounds beautiful and inviting. What really are the reasons why we should practice Surya Namaskar? Surya Namaskar comprises 12 steps that are purposefully woven together to benefit mind and body in various ways. Surya Namaskar is a practice in itself as well as a warming up before performing further yoga asanas. Surya Namaskar stimulates prana, life force energy through the body, helping to regulate our mental and physical faculties. To perform the Surya Namaskar, stand at the edge of your mat, keep your feet together and balance your weight equally on both feet. Expand your chest and relax your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift both arms up from the sides, and as you exhale, bring your palms together in front of the chest in a prayer position. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back, keeping the biceps close to the ears. Now breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. As you exhale completely, bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Now breathing in, push your right leg back as far as possible, bring the right knee to the floor and look up. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Now gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Take the hips back slightly. Slide forward, rest your chest and chin on the floor, raise your posterior a little bit. The 2 hands, 2 feet, 2 knees, chest and chin. 8 parts of the body should touch the floor. Slide forward and raise the chest up into the cobra pose. You may keep your elbows bent in the pose with the shoulders away from the ears. Look up at the ceiling. Lift the hips and the tailbone up to bring up the body into an inverted V pose. Again, breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the 2 hands. The left knee goes down on the floor. Press the hips down and look up. Now breathing out, bring the left foot forward, keep the palms on the floor. You may bend the knees if necessary. Again, breathe in, roll the spine up, raise the hands up and bend backward a little bit, pushing the hips slightly outward. Relax in this position and observe the sensation in your body. This completes one set of Surya Namaskar. Complete the round by repeating this step. The benefits of Surya Namaskar. There are various studies emerging on the investigations of Surya Namaskar and yoga as having physical and mental health benefits. Surya Namaskar helps improve blood circulation and strengthen heart function. It also enhances the resting cardiovascular parameters such as systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure and pulse pressure. Surya Namaskar stimulates a rhythmic breathing process as breath is synchronized with each movement. Let's do some breathing exercises. Breathing is the very essence of life and the first thing we do when we enter this world. and the last thing when we depart. In between, our bodies absorb roughly 500 million breaths. Apart from sustaining life, the mind, body, and breath are so intimately connected that they deeply influence each other. For thousands of years, yoga and Ayurveda have employed breathing techniques pranayam to maintain balance and restore physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. Deep breathing. To perform the very first simple deep breathing exercise, keep inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth with concentration as slowly as you can. The benefits of a regulated practice of simple deep yogic breathing include muscles relaxation, increase in energy levels, reduce anxiety, depression, and stress. Deep breathing while chanting Om. To perform this exercise, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth while chanting Om. The sound of Om is said to contain the entire universe. It is the first sound from the beginning of time, and it also encompasses the present and the future. As such, its importance and power are difficult to overstate. In the chakra system, it is connected to Ajna chakra, the third eye, which represents intuitions and self-knowledge. To perform the KapalBhati, sit in Vajra Asana or Sukh Asana. Remember to keep your spine straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your neck unstrained. Take a deep breath and exhale with force while squeezing the stomach in. Breathe in softly and breathe out completely and with force. Repeat. The breathing technique is known to enhance the functioning of the kidneys and liver. It improves blood circulation and digestion. This breathing technique practice refreshes the brain. It energizes your nerves. Since it makes you sweat, it opens up your skin pores and cleanses it of the toxins. Your face is likely to grow after performing the kriya. It activates the chakras in your body. It helps with sinus and asthma. One of the most noteworthy KapalBhati breathing benefits is that it enhances the capacity of your lungs and makes them stronger. Brahamari Pranayam. Brahamari Pranayam is very effective at calming your mind down right away. It is one of the best breathing exercises to rid off your mind of agitation, frustration, and anxiety. It can also help to prevent anger since it is a simple technique to perform. It can be practiced at work, at home, anywhere in between. This breathing technique gets its name from the black Indian bee called Brahamari. Pranayam is a Sanskrit word that can be divided into two words, prana plus yama. Prana refers to the subtle life energy and yama means to control. To perform this exercise, sit in a comfortable position with a straight back. Place your index finger on your ear's cartilage. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, make a humming sound like a bee gently pressing the cartilage. Continue the same pattern 5 to 9 times. Keep your eyes closed for some time. Observe the sensations in the body and the quietness within. You may want to sit for meditation. You can practice bee breath 3 to 9 times every day. Benefits of Brahamari Pranayam. Bee breath. Instant relief of tension, anger and anxiety. It calms down an agitated mind, gives relief if you are feeling hot or have a slight headache. It reduces your throat ailments, helps mitigate migraines, improves concentration and memory. Naadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. A yogic practice that immediately helps you to feel calmer whenever you are feeling anxious or agitated. Inhale deeply through your left nostril while holding your right nostril closed with your right thumb. And its culmination, switch nostrils by closing off your left nostrils and continuing to exhale smoothly through your right nostril. After exhaling fully, proceed to inhale through the right nostril. Again, closing it off at the peak of your inhalation. Lift your finger off the left nostril and exhale fully. Continue alternating your breathing through each nostril and practice for 3 to 5 minutes. Ensure that your breathing is effortless and your mind gently focus on the inflow and outflow of breath. This kriya is intermediate to the advanced practice of breathing technique that strengthens your chest, cleans your abdominal organs, and energize your circulatory as well as nervous system. This video is not just to watch but to follow through. To reap its maximum mental and physical health benefits, do these yogic practice at least for next 21 days. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get updated every single time I upload a new video.